This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a photo frame keychain. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a blank keychain, a cherished small photo, and a reliable clear adhesive or epoxy resin. Make sure your chosen photo is perfectly sized to fit the keychain's opening. This initial step ensures a smooth and successful crafting experience, setting you up for a beautiful finished product. Now, let's prepare your photo. Use a ruler to measure the exact dimensions of the photo slot on your keychain. This precision is key for a professional look. Once measured, print or carefully cut your chosen picture to fit perfectly. For extra protection, you might want to apply a thin layer of clear laminate before the next step. With your photo ready, it's time for assembly. Apply a thin, even layer of your clear adhesive or epoxy resin to the base of the keychain's photo area. Gently place your perfectly sized photo into the slot, ensuring it's centered and flat. Press down lightly to secure it, then allow ample time for the adhesive to cure completely, usually several hours. Your custom photo keychain is almost complete. Once the adhesive is fully cured, you can add any extra embellishments like small charms or beads to truly personalize it. Make sure your photo is completely sealed and protected from moisture or wear. Now you have a unique, handmade item to cherish or give as a thoughtful gift. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.